I can't.
With your feet. Put it in the middle. Put the rope in the middle.
I'm trying. Woo! Yeah, wait. Ouch!
Stand up. Put the rope in the middle and hold the coil of rope there. Hold it. Yes, right there. Hold it. There.
Oh no. Yeah. Yeah.
Just don't. Hold on. Let's redo this.
Scared.
I've got a better idea. I'm just gonna pull you down myself.
Oh no.
Let's go.
This is even worse.
Just retape it all. Ready?
No, hold on, hold on, hold on!
Not pulling yet.
Wait, hold on here. This is such a bad idea!
My turn.
I'm gonna have to pull you.
Look at that! Is that from the cart?
What?
That scratch right there.
No, no.
Oh.
Yes.
No, it's not.
Here you go, Jack.
Now I have to pull this big freaking fat guy.
Just because I'm bigger and have more muscles than you
Oh, you don't.
doesn't mean you have to insult me.
Ready? Okay.
Ah! Pull! Yeah! Yeah! Yeah, no! Well, I just turned.
Nope.
Okay. I'll take another turn. You've gone twice already.
Hey, get your rope.
Hey, throw it back up.
Hey, I can't throw that far.
I know you can't throw that far.
Here you go.
I'll just bring that to me.